Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and we're back for another quick project. On today's project, we're in the residence basement and we're changing out a light fixture. Apparently the light fixture had arced at some point, but we know that it's not working. So let me show you what's going on with that. And here's our light fixture here. We're gonna first test it to make sure we got power, and if we do, we're gonna turn that power off. Okay, these are the tools that I brought. I brought a non-contact voltage tester. I bought a pair of Lymans. I brought two 1 Phillip and flathead insulated screwdriver, wire strippers, of course electrical tape, and I have another Klein tool tester. It tests voltage. It gives you a voltage testing from 12 volts, 24, 120, and 224. Let's see if you can see that. Give you a blow up of that, because I don't like how that looks. Okay, that should be a better view of the Klein Tools ET40 voltage tester. Okay, and we also have our replacement light fixture. Now testing, we have power, as you can see. Oh yeah. So with the power being on, we're going to go over there to the junction box and we're going to turn off, or the service panel, excuse me, and we're going to turn off the power, and that way we'll be safe here to work on this outlet. Let's do that now. Okay, we've gone to the service panel and turned off the power. So now we're going to go and change the light now. Okay, with the power off, now we're going to take our voltage tester and we're going to check to make sure. And as you can see, there's no beeping. All the power is off. So with that being said, let's get this taken apart. So the first thing is we're going to grab our Phillips, get it up in here, move that to the side, twist it down. Oh, a lot going on right there. Let's see if you can see this. So we're going to definitely change this out and clean this up a little bit. Let's get on that now. Okay, we're going to take our wires off of here, remove that as such. Okay, now we grab our new light fixture. Okay, we have for our hot, which is our brass, and our neutral. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead, get our wire up here, or get our fixture up here. I'm gonna start with our neutral. Get that around there. Okay, let's screw that down nice. Okay, we can squeeze that together a little bit more. Okay, Now, let's get that hot on there. Okay. Loosen that up just a little bit so we can get it tight around there. Okay. Screw it back down. Let's screw it. Let's unscrew it, get it in there really good. Okay. Now we got that. Okay. Now squeeze that together. Okay, we got our wires connected, and now for bird's eye view, we got our wires connected. Now, the one thing you will notice about this is an old fixture, because this is an old house, and what you don't see is the ground. And right now, this can pass for now, but these you generally need 3 wires. You need your neutral, your hot, and the ground. But let's get this up. Okay, now we're gonna push the fixture up back into its housing. Okay. We want it neat as possible. Bring this up. Now we gotta bring our screws out a little further. Okay. Now, this one we will remove one, which is this one here. Take this all the way out. Okay. Now, we'll orientate this in as such. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna get this screwed in. Okay, we're screwing it down to the plate. Okay, almost. And you can do this yourself. This is a quick homeowner's fix. Okay, let's see. Get that up there. Now let's get this power back on, get this light bulb in, and be on to the next job. Get that light in here. Okay, we're at the service panel now, and let's get this power turned on. Okay, now what you see is the main. We're not going to just go right up here and turn this back on just like that. We're going to turn everything in here to the off position and then reset it. Safety first. Now we will initiate the power into the house, and one by one we will come through resetting the circuits. Okay. Okay, that covers everything in the panel. Everything is back on, as you can see. Now let's get back over there to our light. All right, now let's get a light bulb up in here. LED. Pull our string, and we have light. And with that being said, I'm Michael, your handyman. I'm gonna be off to the next job. Please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, be safe and think safe. Or think safe and be safe. But let's get out of here.